everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see a 10 minutes routine, yoga routine to stretch and relax your body. We'll go right into it. We'll have few yoga drills. If you want to skip it, you can always skip it, okay? We are going to start in Sukhasana. It's nothing but a normal sitting posture. So it's little bit, there are rules even how to sit. So you're going to pull your belly button in, relax your shoulder. If you want, you can stretch your spine a little bit taller than you think, like pull it little bit up. Good. And finally, tuck your chin in. Okay, so this is how you sit. Extra, if you want to sit on your sit bones, you can take your extra skin out if you have any. And that's it. We're going to start here. You can relax. You can keep your arms straight. And then slowly breathe in and breathe out. You're going to breathe in for 5 breaths. So slowly inhale, slowly exhale. Slowly inhale, slowly exhale. So I'm going to count for inhale. So I'm not going to do, I'm going to count for you and exhale for you. Okay, so you're going to write breathe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Another time, breathe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One last time, breathe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We will be working in a lot of breathing out, how to do it. There are technically so many terms, how to breathe in, breathe out. We'll go in flow right now, but now and then here and there I'll give you tips. Okay, stay tuned. Now we are going to do side stretch. So my favorite side stretch is like take your right leg, place it on your left thigh. So I'll be doing your mirror, so you need not feel like changing it. So bring your right hand down and slowly exhale, stretch it out. Breathe in. You can look up for more, look down if you feel it is so intense to look up. Breathe in, breathe out. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, when you want to lift your body up, breathe in and come up. Okay. Now, slowly, you have to go down here. So now what you are going to do is like breathe in first. Exhale, go down. And then stretch your arms, relax here. Another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. So if you have shoulder pain, you can just stay here. Like you can keep your arms here. And if your spine is a little bit stiff, you can stop here. You need not go down and just look up. Keep your spine, chest up and relax here. You need not push your body too much. Never do that. You can hurt yourself. Now the next thing you're going to do is forward stretch. Seated forward stretch. So you're going to have your feet folded, not too straight, not too up. Keep it little bit in between with your knees little bit bent and keep your spine flat to your thighs. Okay. So for that, you're going to go down. So you're going to breathe in, exhale, stay here. 5, 4. Now in the meanwhile, you can relax your head, breathe in, breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come up. Exhale there. Relax. So if you follow your breath, it's gonna be so good. Okay. Now we are gonna have the same posture with a little bit. Fold your feet. If you're not able to fold, you can keep it on the knees, not exactly, little bit above the knees. Or if you can fold, you can create and slowly stretch, breathe in, exhale. If you want to fold your knees again, you can fold your knees. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Relax. And you can keep following the movements I said, like when you come up, inhale and exhale. Okay, I missed in this part. But if you want to keep following, now you have to go down, breathe in, exhale, go down. So you're here. You can start 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax here. So we have stretched a little bit full body, side stretch. Now take your right leg forward, place it, and then twist. Your right leg is here. Just place it across your left knee and you can twist. You can just lift your spine up, breathe in. So when you breathe in here, it works a lot, it helps a lot. So you have to like breathe in, exhale, twist. And then you can look back, stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. I'll do this side you can see much better. So cross your leg and then so mostly your armpit should comes over your knee, so you have to pull yourself. So when you do this pull, make sure you're breathing and then bring it forward and then stretch. Now stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. So we're gonna move our body a little bit. So we're gonna start in your favorite child pose. So that's where we start. So bring your knees. You can sit on your feet if you want. If you want to stretch a little bit, and then slowly bring your arms forward. Stay here. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly inhale, lift your chest. Your chest will be leading your body. Breathe in, come up. Exhale, drop it. And breathe in, look up. Push your chest a little bit forward. Now slowly close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now breathe in, move your hip back. Stay here. Drop your chest, look up. Exhale, look at your tummy. Drop your chest, look up. Exhale. Breathe in, look up. Exhale. Now we're gonna go into our first down dog. So slowly breathe in. And move your hip up. Exhale there, relax there. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring your knees down. Drop your chest, look up, breathe in. Exhale, go back. Now slowly drop your chest, look up. Exhale. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. One last, breathe in. Breathe out. Now slowly walk your legs. Come to a standing forward fold. You can bend your knees. hands behind your head. Relax here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly breathe in and come up. That's 10 minutes for you guys. Let's catch up at the next session. Thank you.